Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. We got the Attention Star S2, and if I strike right here, you gotta hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like also. Bowling on a 43-foot, 5-to-1, 27 mils, decent volume, and like a challenge ratio. This ball is pretty aggressive. Sanded finish makes this Attention S2 hook quite a bit. This is like a Attention Star on steroids with the sanded finish. Colors look the same though. The stars are pretty when the sky falls. All right, let's get into the comparisons. I got the Attention Star now, the original one. Throw it on the same line, and let's see what it does. So the Attention Star versus the Attention Star S2, what I see out of the Attention Star is that it gets to the breakpoint a lot easier, and off of the breakpoint it's a little smoother, not as responsive as I saw in the Attention Star S2, which is a hybrid. The Attention Star being a Pearl, it is going to go a little bit longer, and it does have that polished finish, so you're going to expect it to be a step down below the S2. Pardon the interruption, but if you guys subscribe, we will be doing a giveaway at 10,000 followers, and we will be giving away a signed bowling ball by the 2024 Masters champion, D-Ron Booker. So hit that subscribe button. Back to the video. Now we got the DNA coil. So let's see how the DNA coil compares to the Attention Star S2. So the DNA coil compared to the Attention Star S2, what I found is that the DNA coil, it was a lot smoother off of the break point. It didn't jump as hard as the S2. With the S2 having more surface, the DNA coil being a polished finish, I saw a little bit more length on the DNA coil, and Off the back end, it was a lot more controllable. The S2 had a lot more pop, more punch off of the back end. So if I want to shape the lane a little bit more, that's when I'm going to be using the S2. If I want to control the mids a little bit more, but still have that easy length, that's when a DNA coil will fit in my bag. Attention Star S2. It is E-Trax Plus hybrid reactive, momentous AV AI core. Colors are berry silver, black aqua. Comes at a 2000 grit, and it's got a high flare potential. RG is 2.48, differential is 0.049, and PSA is 0.017. So what does that all mean? It is a ball with a really big core. It's got a pretty clean cover stock, not super aggressive like Microtrax, so it's right in the middle as far as realms of cover stock strength, and it comes at a sanded finish. That's the simplest form of it. So what you're gonna see out of this ball is something that's gonna be a little bit stronger than your balls like the Duo or the Optimum Idol or the Optimum Idol Pro. We're gonna see a ball that's gonna be a step up from that. But it's not gonna be as strong as an XL. The XL core numbers are gonna be a little bit more. And so it's gonna fit that gap right below an XL and right above an Optimum Idol / Optimum Idol Pro line. So it kind of fits right in that realm. That's kind of where I believe they wanted the intention of where this Attention S2, oh, that was a tongue twister, where this Attention S2 fits in. So now let's talk about where does this fit in a 6-ball arsenal. So I got the XL on the top. Right below it, that's where I slot in this Attention Star S2. And then below that, I'll put a Attention Star Original, because it's a pearlized version, it's a little bit shinier. So that's gonna give me a little bit more length when my Attention S2 is reading the mids a little bit too early and I wanna get more length. And then right below that, I got my Optimum Idol Solid, and then the Hustle Rip. And then below that, I got my urethane or my spare ball.